A few weeks ago, our team spent some time playing with the newly released web content feature on a Cisco Room Kit. With web content now enabled in Microsoft Teams Room mode, we were excited to build in the ability to launch an Innomesh HTML control panel as a pop-up view on the Cisco Navigator touch panel. With Innomesh unlocking a truly device-agnostic approach to AV room control, we were keen to add another control panel to the growing list of devices capable of allowing organizations to enjoy a unified user experience. And guess what? We did it. Now, Innomesh customers using Cisco's MTR-compatible hardware can have the same highly customized user interface across touch panels, regardless of device manufacturer, while also enabling all the features of Innomesh's cloud-native, vendor-agnostic AV control solution without the need for a second touch panel in the room. This unified user experience can also be shown directly in a web browser for remote support anywhere in the world. We've now integrated the Room Kit into our unified touch panel experience demo, where we showcase a wide range of hardware using both vendor-native and standard HTML5 user interfaces, all operating seamlessly to control the one AV system. As the AV industry continues to move away from manufacturer-native experience, we're proud to announce another significant step towards a fully manufacturer-agnostic room control experience for our customers. With all devices integrated directly with the Innomesh SaaS solution, without the need for middleware or proprietary software, we changed the game again.